ke re internally
Okay.
ko counseling
Ba etsang?
ba e justifya yang corruption se se etsagalang kwa
Why is corruption again, Papa?
ke eng
Corruption is very simple. Corruption is when you are being given this phone to go and give to Mpo, and you don't give to Mpo, you reserve the phone to yourself. That is corruption. Corruption is when you are supposed to be advertising mosebetsi wa bo secretariat. Ne? Re batla 1, 2, 3. Then you decide to take Victor Khari without those requirements. That is corruption. Number 3, corruption is when you are being told that the district number 5 is wanted and you have a pavement. And looking at the street, therefore, he decided to pavement and I reserve those funds for me. That is corruption. Corruption is taking something that is not yours.
Yes. Tsa pleke tse di tshwanang le bo Skirlek, akere?
Skirlek, yeah.
Yes. So why do some wards develop faster than the others?